Air pollution, mounting plastic waste, and rising CO2 levels are casting a shadow over our planet. Amid this environmental crisis, bamboo in China has risen as a surprising champion of the green revolution. From sprawling forests, the unassuming bamboo stalks make their way into state-of-the-art factories, where lasers, robotic arms, and automated production lines transform them into next-generation materials. No longer merely a cultural emblem, bamboo now forms the backbone of countless eco-friendly products, straws, toothbrushes, charcoal, and even sustainable building supplies. Every year, millions of bamboo-based items leave these factories, generating substantial profits and solidifying China's leadership in the global eco-industry race. But how did this simple, fast-growing plant evolve into a cornerstone of 21st-century technology? The answer lies in the numbers. The world churns out over 300 million tons of plastic waste annually, and China faces some of the harshest pressures from this pollution. This makes bamboo a key strategic resource in the nation's sustainable development plans. Today, China boasts more than 6 million hectares of bamboo forests, housing billions of stalks primarily in the southern regions, the largest bamboo territory on Earth. Beyond being a renewable resource, bamboo carries enormous economic significance. The bamboo product sector alone exports over $3 billion worth of goods each year. What was once a humble, fast-growing plant has now been elevated into a green economic powerhouse, helping to curb plastic pollution while enhancing China's role in fusing nature with modern technology. Yet bamboo's history is not entirely serene. During World War II, accounts from prisoners of war and surviving soldiers suggest that bamboo was sometimes misused as a tool for extracting information, casting the plant as a symbol that was both formidable and unsettling. Though the exact details are debated and concrete evidence is scarce, these stories hint at a darker chapter in the history of a plant long celebrated as a symbol of life. Was it fact or simply wartime exaggeration? Either way, bamboo today has embarked on an entirely new path. Now, bamboo stands at the very forefront of sustainable technology. In China's southern forests, the rhythmic chopping of axes has been replaced by the thunderous hum of modern power saws. Towering bamboo stalks, some stretching 15 to 20 meters, are felled in mere seconds, their smooth, sunlit surfaces reflecting a perfect balance of strength and flexibility, signaling readiness for the factory. Once cut, workers immediately trim the base and nodes to prevent water accumulation, a small but essential step to ensure fresh shoots can flourish. Using chainsaws, a single worker can harvest up to 150 stalks per hour, far beyond what manual labor could achieve, while maintaining precise cuts. It may sound daunting. Would you take on a day of bamboo harvesting with just $50 as incentive? For these workers, it's not an extraordinary feat but part of their everyday rhythm. Once collected, the stalks are bundled into massive loads, turning the forest into a living assembly line where humans and machines operate side by side. In this cycle, harvesting is far from the final step. It's a vital link in a sustainable loop where thriving forests feed modern factories. After leaving the forest, the harvested bamboo embarks on the next phase of its journey. In earlier times, workers had to haul each hefty stalk by hand, a slow and exhausting process. Today, much of that labor is handled by machines, though in rugged or uneven terrain, pack horses still play a reliable role, keeping the flow of harvesting consistent. Once the bamboo reaches the collection point, it is loaded onto heavy trucks, ready to leave the forest and enter the realm of modern technology. At this stage, each stalk is carefully drilled with tiny holes to improve water absorption, then soaked in cool, flowing streams to wash away dirt and impurities. Next comes meticulous scrubbing to remove sticky resin and eliminate bacteria, followed by drying under strong sunlight to reduce moisture and prevent termite damage. These steps may seem simple, but they are crucial for enhancing the bamboo's durability and ensuring it can withstand industrial use over time. When the bamboo meets quality standards, it is transported to factories where automated cutting systems can process up to 300 stalks per hour. These machines produce perfectly uniform sections far more precise than any manual method. Every surface is polished to a smooth finish, revealing the bamboo's natural grain, fully ready for transformation into eco-friendly materials for the modern era. In today's construction industry, bamboo has evolved far beyond its humble, traditional image. Once harvested, mature bamboo stalks undergo a careful treatment process to remove impurities and sticky resin, while also stabilizing their moisture content. This essential step ensures that the bamboo becomes resistant to termites, gains a longer lifespan, and can endure the demanding conditions of modern construction. After preparation, the bamboo is fed into enormous hydraulic presses. These machines exert a crushing force of up to 500 tons per hour, the equivalent weight of a full train, compressing bamboo strips into dense, uniform boards. Under this immense pressure, the bamboo transforms into a new material that retains its natural grain yet achieves remarkable mechanical strength, strong enough to replace many rare hardwoods in building projects. The rough boards are then guided along automated cutting lines. Industrial blades slice each piece with millimeter-level precision, shaping them to the exact dimensions specified by architectural plans. The edges are meticulously smoothed, and the surfaces polished to remove any imperfections, ensuring both aesthetic appeal and perfect fit. Through this detailed processing, bamboo boards emerge not only visually striking but also exceptionally durable, capable of withstanding harsh weather, heavy loads, and everyday wear. Finally, the finished boards are carefully packaged and stored, ready to leave the factory and form the backbone of green construction. From the forests to urban skylines, bamboo completes its natural cycle, reborn as a sustainable symbol of innovation. It bridges centuries-old tradition with modern technology, proving that nature itself can provide materials for a resilient, eco-friendly future. But bamboo's story doesn't stop at construction. In a completely different form, it is transformed by fire into bamboo charcoal, a clean, renewable biofuel that can partially replace coal and firewood. The process begins with pre-treated bamboo tubes carefully arranged inside kilns, each holding between 200 and 300 pieces per batch. The stalks are stacked vertically with small gaps, allowing heat to circulate evenly, which is essential for achieving high-quality charcoal. Once loaded, workers seal the kiln with stone and cement, leaving just a few tiny vents for gas release. Inside this closed chamber, temperature and pressure are precisely controlled. The fires are maintained at 600 to 700 degrees Celsius for 5 to 7 days, a heat range that breaks down the cellulose and lignin, leaving behind solid carbon cores, the heart of bamboo charcoal. When the kiln is finally opened, the result is a striking glossy black charcoal, smooth, solid, and uniformly colored, a clear sign of perfect carbonization. Each kiln typically produces 2 to 3 tons of charcoal, enough to provide energy for thousands of homes. After cooling, the charcoal is either ground into smaller pieces or kept in larger blocks depending on its intended use. Packaging is handled with careful attention to sustainability. Recycled craft paper or biodegradable materials are used to ensure both durability and environmental friendliness. Smaller 250 to 300 gram packs are ideal for household use, while larger sacks are distributed to the food and energy sectors. Beyond its role as fuel, bamboo charcoal has found numerous applications, from purifying water and deodorizing spaces to cosmetics and even medicinal uses. Its natural absorptive and antibacterial properties have made it a versatile, eco-friendly material, proving once again that bamboo can be both practical and innovative in the modern age. If bamboo charcoal demonstrates the power of fire, bamboo also takes a gentler path, transforming into a simple, eco-friendly product, the bamboo straw. Made from young stalks just 2 to 3 years old, naturally strong yet slim, these bamboo shoots are carefully selected, cut into uniform pieces, and cleared of old nodes to create smooth, hollow tubes, the foundation of every straw. From the forest, the small bamboo segments are transported to workshops, arranged neatly in trays, and dried at 70 to 80 degrees Celsius. This step strengthens the bamboo while preserving its warm, golden hue, giving each straw a rustic yet polished appearance. Once dried, every straw is meticulously polished inside and out, removing rough edges and creating a smooth, glossy finish. Both ends are refined to feel comfortable against the lips. Next, the straws are rinsed with sterilized water to remove any remaining impurities. After drying at 25 degrees Celsius, they are carefully sorted to ensure each one meets strict quality standards. Some straws are even engraved with logos using lasers, adding a modern, branded touch. Finally, they are packed in sturdy, eco-friendly cartons, not only protecting the product but also reinforcing the green journey from forest to consumer. Small yet sustainable, these bamboo straws are ready to replace single-use plastics. Would you choose a reusable bamboo straw for $1 rather than a disposable plastic one for mere cents? While bamboo straws bring a touch of nature to every sip, bamboo spoons turn ordinary meals into a more thoughtful and refined experience. Unlike traditional handmade utensils, today's bamboo spoons are produced entirely with advanced machinery. Every step, from shaping and surface finishing to sterilization and drying, is automated to ensure top-notch quality, safety, and environmental responsibility. Each detail is carefully monitored, resulting in a spoon that feels solid in hand, has a smooth texture, and offers practical comfort for everyday use. Even something as simple as enjoying a plate of pasta with a bamboo fork becomes a richer experience, blending functionality, elegance, and sustainability. Once ready, bamboo spoons and forks move on to packaging. In some workshops, workers still wrap each piece by hand for extra care, while more modern facilities employ smart sensor robots to automatically pack utensils into small, protective paper bags. These bags are then neatly arranged in cartons, forming complete shipments prepared for consumers. Thanks to the combination of modern technology and bamboo's renewable nature, these utensils are more than just tools, they are proof of bamboo's endless capacity to regenerate and serve humanity in countless ways. But bamboo's journey doesn't end with everyday products. Bamboo salt embarks on a completely different path, where bamboo, earth, and fire come together to create a truly exceptional seasoning. The process begins with fresh bamboo stalks around 3 years old. Workers cut them into sections, fill the hollow tubes with natural sea salt, and seal both ends with yellow clay. This protective clay coating preserves the salt's purity while shielding it from impurities during the intense heating process. When the large clay furnace is fired up, the bamboo tubes are carefully stacked inside. Temperatures rise between 800 and 1000 degrees Celsius, causing the bamboo to burn away and the clay to crack, leaving behind darkened blocks of salt already enriched with minerals from both the bamboo and the clay. Once the furnace cools, the hardened salt blocks are carefully removed, broken into smaller pieces, and ground into fine crystals. But this is only the beginning of a long, transformative cycle. The salt is then repacked into bamboo, sealed once more with clay, and fired again. Each round through the flames acts like a purification ritual, allowing the salt to shed remaining impurities while absorbing additional essential minerals such as calcium, potassium, and iron. After the final firing, the glossy black salt blocks are left to cool completely. Workers then carefully break them apart with hammers and grind the pieces into uniform, pure crystals. Every grain carries not just the briny taste of the sea, but also the minerals of bamboo and earth, offering richer flavor and notable health benefits. Beneath bamboo's rustic exterior lies an intricate technological journey. From careful selection, cutting, drying, and polishing to its transformation into straws, utensils, toothbrushes, or biochar, every step is precisely controlled, blending human skill with advanced machinery. China has developed this resource into a highly efficient green production system, delivering millions of eco-friendly products each year. The question now remains, can bamboo continue to satisfy growing global demand while staying truly sustainable? Share your thoughts. And if you want to uncover more secrets about the art of material crafting and the science of regeneration, be sure to follow, subscribe, and hit the bell, so you won't miss the next story.